This has got to do with the poll results in Jharkhand. Congress MLAs from Jharkhand are gathering at Congress Bhavan as we speak. Congress Legislative Party meeting to begin shortly. Two-line resolution empowering the Congress High Command to elect the CLP leader, and that is going to be passed. Amit is in Ranchi, getting in more details on that big story that he's tracking. Amit, just talk to us a little about the agenda of the CLP meet, which is along expected lines. What is it that's going to be discussed? What's the kind of bargaining power that the Congress now enjoy as a junior partner in this alliance? Talk to us a little about what are they going to ask for. Is that something that's going to be discussed as well?
Right, Sneha. You know, the mandate of Jharkhand is unprecedented for the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha of the Congress Party and the India Alliance altogether. And that is why the government formation is not a difficulty this time around. You know, there's no ifs and buts and combination that needs to be applied. And the JMM clearly has an edge over all other alliance partners. But the Congress Party must be anticipating that the JMM will continue to remain humble the way they had been during the seat sharing process. And I'll also get you the visuals first of the CLP meet. So this is the hall where the CLP meeting is about to begin. Ghulam Ahmed Mir of the in charge will be joining the MLAs here. The 16 MLAs of the Congress Party who have been elected will be sitting here, and they will decide two agendas for sure. Number one, a two-line resolution will be passed by the Congress MLAs, empowering the central leadership, the High Command, that they take the decision on who will be the CLP, the leader of the Legislative Party. I'm joined by Rajesh Thakur, the former president of the Jharkhand Congress. Rajesh ji, you know, what will be your share in the cabinet? कितने मंत्री इस बार मिलेंगे आपको?
देखिए, ये तो हम लोग आपस में बैठ करके तय कर लेंगे। कहीं कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है, क्योंकि हम सरकार चला रहे थे। ऑलरेडी हमारे मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत सोरेन जी हैं, और बाकी नए तरीके से मंत्रिमंडल का गठन होगा तो पूरी पार्टी उस पर चर्चा करके, और जो हम गठबंधन के साथी हैं उस पर चर्चा करके हमारे आला कमान का क्या